ZTE is a Chinese multinational telecommunications equipment and systems company that has been producing smartphones for quite some time now. The company recently launched its latest gaming smartphone, the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro, which features impressive specs and features. Starting with the design, the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro has a sleek and stylish build, with a glass front, Gorilla Glass 5, glass back, and an aluminum frame. The phone has pressure-sensitive zones, 520 Hz touch sensing, a built-in cooling fan, and an aviation aluminum middle frame, which makes it an ideal smartphone for gaming enthusiasts. The device boasts a 6.8-inch AMOLED display, with a resolution of 1116 by 2480 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The display has a 1B color display, but that is only available in China, and a peak brightness of 1300 nits. The screen-to-body ratio is around 89.1%, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro is powered by Qualcomm SM8550AB Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 4nm, chipset, paired with an octa-core processor, which includes 1x3.2 GHz Cortex-X3, 2x2.8 GHz Cortex-A715, 2x2.8 GHz Cortex-A710, and 3x2.0 GHz Cortex-A510. The phone is available in multiple configurations, including 128GB 8GB RAM, 256GB 8GB RAM, 256GB 12GB RAM, and 512GB 16GB RAM. The internal storage uses UFS 4.0, which makes the phone faster in reading and writing files. In terms of the camera, the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro features a triple camera setup, including a 50MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP macro camera. On the front, there is a 16MP under-display camera for selfies. The camera system is capable of recording 8K videos at 30 frames per second, 4K at 30/60th frame per second, and 1080p at 30/60/120/240 fps. The camera also comes with features like LED flash, HDR, and panorama for enhanced image quality. The phone is equipped with a 6000 mAh non-removable battery, which supports 80W wired charging, PD 3.0, and can reportedly reach 100% in just 35 minutes, but this is only for the Chinese market. For international markets, the charging speed is 65W, which can still fully charge the battery in 43 minutes. The ZTE Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro comes with a range of connectivity options, including dual SIM support, 5G network connectivity, Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/6e/7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, GPS, L1 plus L5, GLONASS, BDS, and Galileo. It also features an under-display fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass sensors. Overall, the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro is an impressive smartphone, offering top-of-the-line specs and features. It is available in two colors, black and transparent, and is priced at $678. If you're a mobile gamer, this smartphone is definitely worth considering, given its exceptional specifications and design. That concludes our review of the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro. With its impressive specs, powerful processor, and advanced cooling system, this device is a true powerhouse that offers an unparalleled mobile gaming experience. We hope you found this review informative and helpful in understanding the features and capabilities of the Red Magic 8 Pro. We would love to hear your thoughts on this device. Do you think it's worth the price? Are there any features you're particularly excited about? Let us know in the comments below.